Dakar, Senegal, and this is the monument of African Renaissance. Tallest statue in Africa. It is a symbol of cultural, scientific, and economic renewal, created to mark a new era of the development of the continent. What are the solutions already used to overcome current challenges?
My name is Abdoulaye Ba. I'm an engineer and I'm working in solar energy activities. And here we are in army, in a barrack where the general decided to have solar rooftop to reduce the energy cost here in the barrack. The problem is that in Senegal we have the cost of the energy is very high and the reliability is the second problem. That's why I'm trying to bring some solution on this way. The production will be used for air conditioning, for bureaus, for informatics, for all the need, all the electricity need. The people is coming here for work, like the sun. They come here at 7:30 and they go at home at 4:30. At this time, we have enough sun here in Senegal. That's why we can use it to produce energy and to make our air conditioning functioning and all things without paying a lot of money. That's why. By solar heating here, we will produce hot water through those panels so that the people here, they would have affordable and reliable solutions. Exactly, with the time it is very cheaper and we have a lot of sun here in Senegal.
From that system you can power the whole building and you don't need to get the power from the power
utility
grid.
Exactly. So that we don't need batteries right now. But in a couple of weeks we will buy a solar charger so that we make our site very safe. We have not to suffer with electricity cutting here. That's why we will have batteries so that the excedent of energy would be put into the batteries and in the night we can use it for lighting. And during the day we will produce frequencies and voltages for our inverter so that we are in the safe side. The government of Senegal is giving subsidies till 80% of the first investment to those concessionaires by the qualifications. And by the IPP on grid system, the government is giving the guarantee and make a very good framework. In Senegal, we have right now 8 IPPs, more than 120 megawatt on the grid, and we have 50 megawatts wind park on the grid. It's not the future. It is right now in Senegal actual. As you see here, we have a lot of rooftop, and we can use it for those implementations. So that the first thing what you have to do is that to check the possibility to use those rooftop here and to produce enough energy for the development, because the energy should be cheaper.
Current technology, you don't need to wait for the future. It's already in production. You can always install it on your house, on the private buildings, on the clinics, on every area.
The total installed power is around 60 kilowatt peak. But right now you can use it. Right now you can do it. Right now you can do it.
It's already a good investment.
Exactly.
With that power installed here on that building, you can provide power for 200 households in rural area.
Invest in those projects so that you can come here for holiday and get your money too.
Maybe solar energy is one of the aspects of the African Renaissance.